Dice Chess, 3-dice variant, how to play. The rules are the same as Dice Chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. On your turn, you roll 3 dice instead of 2. Then, you get to perform moves from all 3 of the dice rolled in one turn if you have the legal moves available. The moves may be taken in any order you want, but each die may only be used once. If you have multiple dice of the same piece, you may move the same piece multiple times if you like. There is no benefit for rolling doubles or triples. Another way to play is for each player to secretly roll their 3 dice and keep them hidden from each other. Then, as players alternate taking turns, each player reveals a single die they wish to use on their turn to move one of their corresponding pieces. If you are unable to use a die rolled when you reveal it, then your turn ends. You may not change the roll of the dice, and once each player has used all 3 of their dice, they both simultaneously re-roll and repeat the process. The first player to checkmate or capture their opponent's king wins.